Hello Zouk lovers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This video features an exciting tutorial that will teach you Zouk Bassline's secrets. The purpose of this tutorial is to ensure that you become a good Zouk instrumental producer. First of all, I would like to insist you make sure you have good plugins that have nice and authentic bassline presets. For example, plugins like Ample Bass J, Nexus has electric bass. Avoid using sub bass or lead bass or 808 bassline because those are mostly used in hip hop or dance music. I have already made my beat. To go straight to the point, I will use this as a case study for those who are beginners, especially those who don't have a MIDI keyboard. This is perfect for you because we are going to use piano roll inside the FL Studio. I will use Ample Bass J, but you can follow along with your desired plugin. I will add a sampler channel on my step sequencer. Copy the chord melody and paste it on my sampler. Open the piano roll and duplicate chord bars. Just hold shift and drag down or up to achieve that. There are various techniques to get ideas. One is to listen to old classic Zouk like Oliver Ngoma or Kassav. You will get a lot of insights into how they played bass guitar. In the modern era of music, especially Zouk, I found that following you kick steps on How Is Falling and adding a little swing will make it sound so amazing. Here's an example. Zouk Bassline has many styles. The common one is following musical scale, but skipping the first step. If you don't see this gray line on your FL Studio, here is how to activate it. Just press Alt and V on your keyboard and they will be activated. As I said, following the musical, I mean drawing like this. Starting at first is not a bad idea, but I do not add such a swing that I want. Once you are happy with it, adjust the velocity of each key. This will make your bass line sound natural and have that music authentic. After that, duplicate the pattern and change it a little bit. This will make your bass guitar not sound flat throughout the whole song. Adding small variations will make your music sound richer and level up your production value. People will respect your name. Remember, always follow the kick or the vibe or the beat. If you want some parts of the beat to be calm or cool, play the long line key. For example, in this part of my beat, I want to be calm and cool, so I will draw a long line like this. In areas where I want the beat to be intense, I will chop small key as many as possible. Or follow the vibe or kicks and other percussions. Before we go to the final stage, let me tell you one thing. I found that about 70% of people who are watching my tutorials are not subscribed. So if you are one of them, please subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to do more tutorials. The final stage is to make sure you mix your bass guitar and balance well with other instruments. Don't do too fancy. Just cut out unnecessary frequency by using a parametric equalizer as shown in the video. That is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and leave your comment. If you have any suggestions or advice, I would appreciate it.
A few moments later.